I'm Polly Beth, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I have a kid who's very anxious, and I try to help them process their experiences, but is it possible I'm overdoing it and contributing to the anxiety? I can tell you that I most recently have really upped my own research when it comes to anxiety because it's been so prevalent in our schools as of the past year or so. And I'm going to answer that question with a yes, based on my research, is that sometimes I think we do overdo it and contribute to the anxiety. I'm going to use this example. If you watch TV lately, do you ever notice that you see a lot of commercials out there that are talking about like medications and stuff? And like after you see the commercial enough, you start going, I think I might have that, because it keeps coming at me over and over. And it kind of makes me anxious, like really anxious. And then I start like Googling it, and I'm like, oh, I got to Google this now to see what I'm saying. So it's like overkill. So if I over process it, I could be actually reversing the good. So it's not that I don't want to validate the anxiety and I want to help that kid and support them, but I also want to tell them that you're okay. You're okay. When you overthink something or we talk about it too much, we do go into a place where we kind of create that. So I think there's a balance. And the more and more we research around anxiety and find the great experts, there's a lot of them out there. That's a definite yes. I think we possibly could be overdoing it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.